AE group, and weight. NX Performance Predictor works within the NX user interface that designers already use every day and provides immediate feedback on the performance of a part. NX Performance Predictor is based on proven simulation technology from SimCenter Solutions. This shared technology also enables robust scalability with SimCenter 3D when it is time for the simulation team to take deeper analysis and validate the design. With NX Performance Predictor, designers can apply loads and constraints to their part and rapidly simulate a component for linear, static, or natural frequencies analyses. Results are returned almost instantly and can even include a safety factor result type, so designers can assess the risk of their part failing. As a designer makes changes to the design, the simulation results will automatically update for the latest version. This means designers can quickly see how their changes will impact performance. Additionally, due to the tight integration in NX, results from NX Performance Predictor can feed into NX Product and Manufacturing Information, or PMI, data, so that can now include performance requirements in the PMI data to help designers monitor and evaluate their design throughout their workflow. Finally, once the part is ready for deeper level evaluation and validation, designers can seamlessly send the part and simulation results to dedicated simulation engineers using SimCenter 3D. Engineers can validate performance and evaluate other aspects of part performance, like durability, for example. We think that access quick performance feedback within the CAD workspace as a real game changer.